Okay, I'm finished getting dressed, but I'm still tired, and I feel like I'm finna faint, but I'm not actually gonna finna faint, y'all. But how y'all like my braids? I got them done yesterday. That's why I had that bonnet on last night. Period. And them roosters get on my nerves. Like every time I go to sleep, like bruh, they get on my nerves. But I am finna probably go to Chick-fil-A. Welcome to Chick-fil-A. How can I take your order? Can I just have a some fries and chicken nuggets? Cause I'm not that hungry. And just give me a lemonade. Excuse me, miss? Lemonade machine is broken. Well, can I get some ice cream? Excuse me. What? Ice cream is broken too. Like, girl, yo, bruh, bruh, bruh. Every time I come into this broken down, ratchet, ugly, ghetto, roach infested store, Chick-fil-A, they talk about, oh, oh, our Coke machine is broken. Oh, our Pepsi machine is broken. Like, girl, is everything broken? Like, you keep saying if oh oh it's bro it's bro. You know why the machine and all the machines broken? Because y'all fat asses be eating all the dang goddamn ice cream and drinking all the goddamn drinks. Y'all can never y'all gonna let, but at least give me my chicken nuggets and fries, because no, don't, and they better not be cold. First of all, always want to give me some cold stuff. Like, y'all don't even cook those stuff. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Yeah, you wanna say sorry now because I just went off on you. Now shut up with your roast infested looking store that you made. And first of all, where is the manager? You're speaking to her. You're speaking to her right now. Oh, well, I'm going to leave a bad review on Yelp, and I'm going to shut your company down. Okay? You don't know who I am. I am the richest celebrity in the world. Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Sorry, ma'am, but you look like a porn person. Oh, I know you ain't talking with your roast infested looking store, and you look like a whole crackhead, a girl crackhead. Oh, oh, don't make me go off on you again. With your ice cream head ass, biscuit head ass, sausage head ass, hot pocket head ass, stupid ass, bitch, with your ugly ass. Snatch his hat off of her. Oh, hell nah. You can't be saying the ice cream broken. You got a whole ice cream in your hat. Throws the hat in the window. Oh, heck no. Do you want this to be? Do you want this to be you? I am a billionaire. You would love to be in my body, would you? Ma'am, can you just leave my store, my restaurant? You didn't have to go off on me like that. Bitch, do I look like I care? No, and I don't give a fuck. Cause I will leave this bush infested Chick-fil-A. The one the one by McDonald's is better. It smells like roses when your one is smelling like poop. Now, girl, don't play with me. You do too much. Bye, roach infested Chick-fil-A. Ugh, nasty. Ugh.